Today I'm going to teach you how to track and lock to a subject in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is incredibly useful when you want text or graphics to follow a moving object in your video, like keeping a label attached to someone's head as they move around the frame. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and get your project ready. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Fusion. This is where all the motion tracking and compositing magic happens in DaVinci Resolve. Now in your workspace, you'll see something called the Media In node. Click on it, then press Ctrl and space on your keyboard at the same time. This opens up a search bar that lets you quickly find tools and effects. In this search bar, type Tracker. When you see the Tracker option appear, click on it and then click Add. This adds the tracking node to your composition, which is what will analyze the movement in your footage. Next, you'll see a tracking box appear on your preview window. You need to resize this tracker to fit around the object you want to follow. For example, if you want to track someone's head, drag the corners of the tracker box to make it just big enough to cover the head without including too much of the background. Position it carefully so it sits right on the subject you want to track. Once your tracker is positioned correctly, move over to the right side of the screen where you'll find the inspector panel. Here you'll see a play button. Click this play button to start the tracking process. DaVinci Resolve will now analyze every frame and follow the movement of your subject. Now be patient here. The tracking process will take some time depending on how many frames you have in your clip. If you're working with a longer clip, it might take a few minutes, so just let it do its thing. You'll see the tracker moving along frame by frame as it works. Once the tracking is complete, make sure the tracker node is still highlighted, then click on Text node. When you do this, DaVinci Resolve automatically creates a text node and a merge node that are connected to your tracker. This means your text will now follow the tracked object. Click on the text node, and on the right side in the inspector panel, you'll see a text input field. Type in whatever text you want to appear on screen. This could be a name, a label, or any other information you want attached to your subject. Finally, click on the Transform node. Here you can adjust the size of your text to make it bigger or smaller. You can also adjust the center property, which controls the position of the text relative to the tracked point. Play around with these settings until your text sits exactly where you want it on your subject. And that's it. Your text is now locked to your subject and will follow it throughout the clip. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.